All right, Flickr is one giant place to find photos. A lot of them will be under Creative Commons or public domain licenses. So I'm just going to do a quick search for fish. It's going to bring me to the search page. I've got a bunch of options right off the bat, including the ability to choose like a Creative Commons license or the U.S. government work or something with no copyright restrictions. So I can do a lot of fun stuff right there. You'll also notice Safe Search. There are some inappropriate, perhaps, pictures on here, so you can turn Safe Search on or to moderate or whatever you want if you feel that's necessary. Other fun things to look at is you can search by predominant colors. So you notice by clicking green, I'm going to get stuff with more green in it. That's pretty nice and fun. There's a variety of other less standard options, like the idea of looking for patterns. And that sort of thing. So kind of fun, maybe or maybe not useful to you. But do take note of advanced over here. Click on that and you can expand it. You can choose landscape orientation, you can remove portrait, you can do lots of different things that are going to give you the shape of image that you need, as well as if you click on large, the size that you want. You can also kick videos out of it. And me, myself, I like to change the search from relevant sometimes to interesting, just to see if it kicks things back with a little more punch. You may get some odder things, like we looked for fish and we're getting something with a boat, but they are fishing boats. So it's a little less exact, but a lot of times you'll get at least images that Flickr and people who look at Flickr think are more vibrant or interesting. So that's a quick look at how to do search on Flickr.